Guys, so we're getting this 110 out in the dirt. He's taking his first trip on it. Kind of excited to see what this thing can do, so let's get into the video. Show you guys the ground we're riding on. It's pretty rocky, pretty slippery. A lot of this loose stuff that normally doesn't feel so good, but I cannot believe, I just took the thing for a spin. I cannot believe how it feels. It just feels like you're glued to the ground.
Nice.
Coming off a 450 to a 110 with fat tires.
Yeah, this thing's so awesome. Night and day, way better than the original Fat Cat. Yeah.
Should have brought it, but you know, we'll
It's all good.
do another video for that.
It corners really well too. You can really lay it down in a corner.
So guys, we got a little jump line out here. He's gonna see what he can do. He's just kind of scoping it out right now, but I just want to show you some more of this nasty terrain. So this is why we build these big wheels. It's hard to explain how awesome they are in this nasty, rocky, loose terrain. I mean, I'm from upstate New York where all the tracks were, I'm gonna say perfect compared to out here. But yeah, he's having a blast. I'm gonna flip the camera around and get some more footage for you guys.
I'm gonna try it.
All right, man.
I'll do this first.
Yeah. A little rocky climb right here. Looks a lot smaller on camera. I'd say it's about 13, 14 feet tall. If you live in Arizona, I swear to God, these little 110s make this place even more fun. Just these little BMX type lines. So you can just hit it. I'm gonna try to get a closer shot.
That third one's tricky. The first and second one are doable for sure.
All right, I'll walk over this way.
Okay. I cased that third one pretty good.
I heard it. Testing out that tire. You got such a thick sidewall on these tires. 10-inch wheel, 21-inch tires. You guys can imagine how thick the sidewall is. Oh yeah, real smooth. Show you guys the contact patch. I don't know. I think all the dirt bike guys might start hating me soon because all I do is put quad parts on dirt bikes, but you're gonna have all that when you're trying to have fun and change things up. Industry is a little stale at times. If you guys like what we're doing, definitely comment and let me know. Sure is beautiful out here today. Saturday afternoon. It's got to be 100, maybe 105, I don't know. Sun is blasting me right now. I got my hat on. Don't want my bald head to get burnt. All right. High speed run time. This is the spot where it's kind of holding the quad wide open, just ripping over these holes. Let's see how this thing does. This thing is too much damn fun. I had to take it for another spin while he's getting the shovel out. We're gonna tweak a jump so he can hit it. Honestly, guys, like even just for kids starting out riding, this is where it's at. I feel like a big kid right now. If your kid's on a 110 and he's struggling in the sand or on the rocks, I think this is it. And let's just be honest, it's fun for the adults too to ride. That's why we built it. We're gonna start shoveling. I got the jump all minted out. This is the one I hit on the fat cat. So we're just gonna retry it. This is a rare sighting. Water in the middle of the desert. Yep, don't see that very often. It's time to hit the jump. We're gonna call this the Arizona Sky Shot for the pit bike. Let's see what happens. Look at that nice fat tire mark. So what do you think, Drew? Successful day of riding pit bikes?
Successful day of
Pit bike.
It was fun.
With the big wheel kit.
So much fun.
She's testing it out. You're getting on it next. You got your sneakies on. You'll be okay.
It's been a while.
Yes. I don't know. When's the last time you rode a dirt bike? 10 years ago?
It's been a hot minute.
Everybody's rocking.
Yes, it is. Anybody can ride with a fat tire kit. So,
Fine.
so I mean, you haven't rode an actual dirt bike in years.
Yeah, it's been a
You
while.
spent a lot of time on my race quads, but
No, this is fun.
confidence inspiring. You would have not,
Get one.
you would have not liked it with the skinny little tires.
Probably not.
It would
No,
have.
especially with like the rocks out here.
Dude, you can run over shit like this.
It's amazing. I did.
You don't even feel it.
I did.
Like, you just don't.
It's amazing.
That's the big key on these guys. So you're not going to pinch a tube. You can actually air these down and get extra suspension and obviously bump absorption out of it. Not trying to be salesy in this video, just having fun with this.
And honestly, like if guys want to do this like with their wife, this is perfect.
I know, right?
This is honestly like you and I like got to get someone to rip around.
Kids,
Hey,
wives,
Yeah.
new riders, old riders.
Yeah.
I mean, it kind of fits everybody. It's just a fun pit bike.
Yes.
We did add the, again, stiffer springs and the taller bars, but you can run these with stock bars and stock suspension. You're just not going to have as much height right here, but we have it proportionally set up for the stiffer springs because that's what most adult riders are going to do. Cool.
Nice.
So you gonna rip it again?
Yeah.
All right,
It's fun.
rip it up.
Can't sell this one.
Gotta get some.
So you're not selling my 110 on me?
No, we gotta get some KLXs too.
Yes, and TTRs.
Me and you on the vet track at Photoland. Yeah.
Absolutely.
We're gonna start a women pit bike too.
Hammer it. The bike just feels like it's sized so much better now, just being what, inch and a half taller. But it's night and day. Anyway, we'll stop being salesy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like what we're doing, comment. Let us know. If you don't like it, oh well.
Not salesy. This is just a natural feeling. Like it's fun.
We just have fun with what we do,
Yeah.
guys. He welded that swing arm. I designed the fixture. We got it all done this week, and obviously you guys saw the front end stuff was already on the trike a few months ago. got the thing knocked out this week. You guys are buying kits. We appreciate all the orders. We wouldn't be here without you guys. And just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. We got more coming. Like I said, TTRs, KLXs. We're gonna do a bunch of them. So see you guys in the next video.